Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, MP3 player, CD player, power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.